Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ladders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Louisville Ladder FE3224 Ladders for gutter cleaning. At present, people are thriving for fiberglass-made ladders for gutter cleaning. Well, these are more convenient and rigid rather than aluminum models. Even fab for non-conductivity while cleaning. After such a purchase, users get worried about stuff storage. Well, in that case, it concludes with 7.25 feet depth storage and a 12 feet height. Sounds very compact, right? Comes with an overall 24 feet extendable height. So, whether commercial purpose or about two-story house improvement, it is beneficial. The specialty we have experienced, the most convenient rungs. Each one in D-shape forms prevents slipping, though load-bearing capacity and SS safety shoes that combine metal shields will work for prevention in wet weather. Moving on at number 4, we have the Little Giant Ladders 15422-001 Multi-Position Ladder. We have decided to enlist another model but quite different from the similar manufacturer. It is from Little Giant Ladder. Integrated stuff that made it different and compelled us for another buy as its tip and glide wheels. As well, if you notice those wheels, you will feel the free movement without hand fatigue from job to job. Though it would have cased up falling, yet luckily, bottom non-marring tips with convenient metal shoes will prevent such cases. However, offering a load-bearing capacity of up to 300 pounds is nothing much different. But if you turn it like other ladders for gutter cleaning, it is such a satisfaction for prospective users as if they never get water conductivity, nor rust issues. At number 3, we have the Xtend and Climb CS125300 BK ladders for gutter cleaning. Are experienced the toughest ladders for gutter cleaning, manufactured by Xtend and Climb. As well, usual for industrial works too. A question may arise, that why loved its durability? The answer is in its aircraft aluminum alloy structure, which you can bend or fold for multi-use. Its non-conductive rails are another matter of joy because it will case up rust-free surfaces whenever you need for such gutter cleaning works. However, we have felt enough portability and the over-molded handle as another symbol of durability and traction. On top of that, a heavy-duty closure strap prevents this stool from being twisted during operations. At number 2, we have the Xtend and Climb Prograde 785P+ telescoping ladder. We have decided to keep another model, yet pro-graded ladders for gutter cleaning from the Xtend and Climb manufacturer. Our minds pacified our minds while searching for one and enabled our pro members to carry it for commercial purposes. This unit is such a pro-graded that it exceeds both ANSI and OSHA overall 2019 standards. Both extended and adjustable bottom locks let work in a breeze, whether with electrician tool belts carrying or plumbing ones. In that sense, the holding capacity exceeds all previous models, up to 350 pounds. However, at this price, the angled thumb release mechanism for proper handling was beyond our imagination. And finally at number 1, we have the Louisville Ladder L301612 Ladders for gutter cleaning. Lately, found an extendable ladder in the prop footing for reaching mid-sized gutters. Either set for perfect scaffold angle for lower-level guttering. Whichever way you wish to intend it, you will be capable of finding a suitable position as per your need. Made from fiberglass, as well, the SS molded top. For added performance, the combination includes an aluminum angle slip-resistant rubber bottom. The above-mentioned holding capacity is accurate and exceeds all EN 131 standards. We want to conclude with its pinch-resistant spreader braces. Well, it saves fingers by opening the usual but heavy-duty ladder at ease, yet not suitable for high-level jobs. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.